Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 89% off for the Cloud Native Platform Engineer CNPE 2025 beta exam. So there is a registration link I'll provide you with this, and instead of $445, you have to pay only the $50. So are you a platform data engineer with a 2+ years of a hands-on experience in the cloud native technologies? Here is your chance to become one of the first certified cloud native platform engineers CNPE on in 2025 at the incredible 89% of discount. So exam offer. So beta exam price will be the dollar of 50. This is a regular price is a dollar of 445, and beta window will be November 4 to November 14 2025. Format is online, remote protected and performance based. Seat are limited, so apply before November 3 2025. So what we will get with this? Exclusive early access to the CNP certification exam, real world performance based task, opportunity to save the final version of the certification, huge cost saving for the early testers. So why take the CNPE beta exam? The CNPE credential validates your ability to design, implement, and cloud native system using modern tools like Kubernetes, Terraforms, Docker, and CI/CD pipelines. So this stand out as a true platform engineer in 2025. So important dates. So beta sign up deadline will be the November 3, 2025. Beta window November 4 to November 14, 2025. Schedule exam by November 12, 2025. So this is a cloud CNP certification details link. So we'll go through this link first. So Linux Foundation is providing the certified cloud native platform engineer CNPE. So let it download first. And this is the sign up link. So we'll go through this link. Okay. So this is open. So certification, certified cloud native platform engineer CNP. This will be the certificate logo, and the online exam delivery duration exam will be 2 hours. Certification valid for 2 years. Include 12 months exam eligibility, one retake, performance based exam, PDF certificate, and digital wage. So experience level is required immediate, intermediate. So other details will be there. So prerequisites. So no prerequisites for this exam. About the CNPE and exam details, resources. So you can go through all the domains, all the details about here. So this is the page, Google form. So cloud native platform engineer CNP 2025 beta tester sign up. So this is the page. So sign up now for the exclusive beta opportunity. Take the cloud native platform engineer CNPE and performance based exam with a special rate of $50. Regular price is $445. View the all details there. So exam details will be there, and just complete this form, email address and other details. So fill up the form and submit this one. So would you like to consider the beta tester for the CNP performance based exam? Please complete the following. So let me check the insert the data, and no job title. So, include the platform engineering experience. I don't have experience. Just assume that you have received the platform engineering training. No experience running the platform production. No. From the graphical region, you will like to CNP beta exam. This will be the Asia and submit. Let me open my Gmail. Till now, I didn't get any mail. Okay, maybe after some time I'll get the mail. So in this video, I've learned how to get 89% off on Cloud Native Platform Engineer CNPE 2025 beta exam, and step-by-step process I've shown you. And this is the two links. And this is a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. You can go through this and not follow the process shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues for help them to get certified too. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for the more free certification tutorial and learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Thank you.